Imagine walking through Boston in 1919, when suddenly, a 25-foot wave of molasses crashes through the streets. It sounds unbelievable, but a storage tank burst, sending 2.3 million gallons of sticky syrup rushing at 35 mph. People and horses were swept away, buildings shattered, and chaos reigned. But this disaster wasn't just bizarre, it exposed poor safety standards. Therefore, Boston introduced stricter building codes and inspections. Today, the Great Molasses Flood reminds us that even the sweetest things can change history forever.